Truffles belong to an extremely exclusive club within the gastronomic universe, that of ingredients so rare they verge on the mythical. This is not mere exaggeration. A single large white truffle can reach prices exceeding $30,000, becoming an object of desire for chefs, collectors, and gourmets around the world. These culinary gems remain hidden underground for years, sometimes up to 6 full seasons, before revealing themselves to the world. Their secret, buried just centimeters below the soil, raises the ultimate question. How does one find something so valuable and so perfectly concealed? To unravel this mystery, we travel to the heart of Italy's Piedmont region, a setting where truffle hunting has become an almost sacred ritual, and where haute cuisine and ancient tradition go hand in hand. Known as the gems of the culinary arts, truffles not only elevate any dish to a higher level, but have also become symbols of status. Their rarity, unmistakable aroma, and deep flavor envelop them in an aura of absolute luxury. They are not simply an ingredient, they are a statement, a sign of refinement and good taste that transcends the kitchen to enter the realms of culture and collecting. These fascinating organisms, belonging to the genus tuber, live underground, developing through a symbiotic relationship with trees such as oaks, holm oaks, hazelnuts, and even poplars. This silent pact is a chemical and biological dance. While the fungus helps the tree absorb essential minerals and water, it receives in return the compounds it needs to grow and reach maturity. Remaining hidden several centimeters beneath the surface, locating them becomes a true challenge, one that requires both patience and expertise. For this reason, harvesters rely on their best allies, dogs specifically trained to detect the singular aroma that only a fully mature truffle releases, a scent that can be simultaneously intense, earthy, and slightly sweet. Among the many truffle species that exist, 2 reign supreme in the gourmet market: the black truffle, known as the dark diamond, and the legendary Italian white truffle. The former, found in regions of southern France and select areas of Spain, dazzles with intense, deep, and earthy aromatic notes, while the white truffle, the absolute queen, enchants with a more delicate yet equally complex fragrance. Their scarcity and extremely brief harvesting window explain why white truffle prices can surpass €5,000 per kilogram, while even small portions of black truffle reach prices in the hundreds of euros. An example illustrating their value occurred in 2014, when a giant white truffle weighing nearly 2 kilograms, guarded with security worthy of a work of art, was auctioned in New York for $55,000. This event not only confirms the luxury status of the truffle, but also reflects the fascination it evokes among collectors and gourmets. In the kitchen, truffles represent excellence at its highest expression. Their aroma and flavor are so powerful that just a few thin slices can transform an ordinary dish into an unforgettable sensory experience. Pastas, risottos, butters, oils, sauces, and even eggs are elevated by their presence, producing aromatic notes perceptible from the first visual encounter to the last bite. Yet their significance goes far beyond taste. They symbolize a delicate balance between nature, tradition, and ancestral knowledge. Harvesting them requires experience, patience, and deep respect for the ecosystem. It is no coincidence that they are considered true biological treasures, often associated with aphrodisiac properties and a mysticism that has surrounded them for centuries. Among the rarest tuber varieties, some can reach prices of up to €100,000 per kilogram. This exclusive fungus only thrives in European reddish soils, among the roots of very specific trees and under capricious climatic conditions, humid summers, and moderate temperatures. The perfect combination of soil, climate, and tree species intensifies its aroma and unique character, producing specimens whose scarcity turns each find into a genuine treasure. Since truffles live underground, the only way to detect them is when they release their aroma upon reaching maturity. This is when dogs come into play, animals with around 300 million olfactory receptors compared to just 5 million in humans, becoming the silent heroes of this pursuit. Historically, pigs were used, naturally attracted to the truffle scent, but their instinct to consume the fungus made them less reliable. Today, dogs are trained from puppies to associate the truffle's aroma with a reward, even distinguishing between mature specimens and those still needing time, thus ensuring a responsible and sustainable harvest. Piedmont is one of the few places where white truffles emerge spontaneously. There, only authorized harvesters may search for them, following strict rules that limit the daily allowable quantity and prohibit excessive soil disturbance or root damage, as a single mistake can compromise future production. In the Perugia region, this tradition has survived for centuries. Hunters traverse hills and forests alongside their loyal dogs, tracking the scent of mature truffles. While the dog's nose is essential, knowledge of the terrain is equally important. Only an experienced harvester can interpret the soil type, humidity, and canine behavior to pinpoint the exact location of the hidden treasure. The white truffle, which grows alongside the roots of poplar, hazelnut, and oak trees, requires years of waiting to reach its optimal quality. Its worldwide prestige is due to its enveloping fragrance, elegant flavor, and the exclusivity that surrounds it. It appears at its peak during a very short period each year. It matures in autumn and is harvested primarily between October and December. Mild temperatures, coupled with consistent humidity, create the perfect environment for its development. Late summer rains and early autumn showers are crucial. A climate that is too dry drastically reduces production. This delicate balance makes each truffle the result of a natural process that combines patience, technique, and a bit of climatic luck. Beneath the surface of the earth lies a treasure that few are fortunate enough to discover, and the dog, eager to demonstrate its skill, begins its meticulous search. Its initial enthusiasm can work against it. Excessive excitement may cause it to overlook crucial details, making calm and concentration essential. Every movement must be measured, every breath controlled. When it finally detects the right scent, that intense, earthy perfume signaling the presence of a mature truffle, it lunges to dig with astonishing speed. At that moment, the harvester must be alert and react instantly, because any carelessness can mean losing a treasure worth thousands of dollars for just a few grams. To extract these subterranean jewels, hunters use a specialized tool known as a sapin, designed to remove soil precisely without damaging the fungus. However, the true delicacy comes from the human touch. Nothing replaces the sensitivity of expert fingers, capable of discerning the exact texture and preventing the truffle from breaking or being accidentally damaged. During the harvest season, selecting only fully mature specimens is fundamental, because only they release their aroma and flavor in full splendor. This is a task that requires years of experience, a blend of instinct, knowledge of the terrain, and understanding of the dog's behavior, which can guide the harvester to seemingly impossible locations. A perfectly mature white truffle emits a perfume that many describe as an intoxicating fusion of garlic, aged cheese, and damp earth. Its skin, firm yet pleasant to the touch, shows shades ranging from light brown to pale yellow, while cutting it reveals creamy white veins inside, a clear sign that the fungus has reached its optimal point. Each truffle is unique. No two specimens are identical, and every aroma tells the story of its growth, the type of tree it coexisted with, and the climatic conditions that shaped its development. As December progresses and the cold intensifies, the supply of white truffles diminishes drastically. Toward the end of the season, the remaining fungi often lose strength in their aroma and quality. This scarcity, combined with astronomical prices, has even attracted the attention of criminal networks, creating a black market that, in some cases, resembles that of illicit goods. Behind the glamour of the truffle lies a world full of risks, precautions, and carefully guarded secrets. Once harvested, the truffles are transported to the famous Alba market, the historic heart of the white truffle trade in Italy, where specialized companies handle their preparation and distribution. From there, many travel to a factory founded in the 1930s by a visionary harvester who turned his passion into a global business, capable of supplying renowned chefs and restaurants worldwide. But truffle logistics present a constant challenge. Every passing minute represents a significant loss of value. Unlike fruits or vegetables, which continue to ripen after being harvested, the truffle begins a slow process of deterioration the moment it leaves the ground. Moisture evaporates, aroma fades, and every lost gram translates directly into a drop in price. In just 5 days out of the soil, a truffle can lose up to half of its characteristic fragrance. For this reason, a meticulous protocol is followed at the processing plant. First, it is carefully washed to remove adhered soil, then sorted according to size, shape, and overall condition. Only top-quality specimens with intact skin and perfect texture are destined for the most demanding clients. Subsequent treatment depends on the final destination. Some are frozen to preserve freshness, others canned to extend shelf life, and a select batch is sent fresh to restaurants around the world. Among these restaurants is the prestigious Bistro Moderne in New York, where a burger adorned with fresh truffle can cost $50 solely for the presence of a few tiny slices of the fungus. In pasta dishes, the intensity of its aroma means that barely 5 to 8 grams are enough to transform the culinary experience. Each bite becomes a sensory spectacle. The perfume envelops the nose, while the deep, earthy flavor caresses the palate, demonstrating why white truffles are considered one of the most exclusive gastronomic experiences on the planet. The value of the truffle is not only gastronomic, but also historical and economic. In 2010, an auction in Macau reached record figures. A 1-kilogram white truffle sold for $363,000, cementing its status as one of the world's most coveted ingredients. Its intense aroma and unmistakable profile make it indispensable in the hands of expert chefs who work with extreme care to avoid wasting even the slightest trace of its essence. In the heart of Piedmont, one of the region's most prestigious restaurants, awarded a Michelin star, receives visitors from around the world seeking a unique culinary experience. There, the white truffle is generally used as a finishing touch, enhancing aromas and adding an air of exclusivity. Due to its potency and price, only minimal amounts are used, transforming each dish into a true gastronomic jewel. Every truffle tells a story of the forest where it grew, of the dog that discovered it, and of the harvester who handled it with extreme care, until it finally becomes a luxury accessible to those who can appreciate it in all its magnificence.